Alright, so it is my second full day in Barbados. Today I'm going to see a little bit more further toward the west of the beachfront kind of area. So it's going to be a lot of walking today, and fingers crossed, hoping to see some turtles. So wish me luck. Let's head on out. So I am here at Tapas. Look at this freaking view. I'm so excited. And they have a full non-alcoholic menu of wines and cocktails, so that's pretty exciting. This virgin guava daiquiri is so good. I love it. I love that I'm just on the boardwalk and this water is so blue. This is making my whole life right now. Wow, look at this Bayesian style mahi mahi. That looks awesome. I got some pepper sauce in case I want to spice it up. Man, look at that. This is so crazy. Look at these little sugar bubble glass things. So pretty. This is called a Napoleon. Perfect combo. This is just making me think of that song. Down by the boardwalk, we'll be having some fun down by the boardwalk. I love the boardwalk. It's so pretty. Look at this, all the sand has come up. Made like a sand dune on the boardwalk. They need somebody to come sweep this. That's it, that's the whole boardwalk. It's not very big. I just got some new sunglasses from this little beach stand over here. Because yesterday, I broke my favorite Hello Kitty ones. They just broke. I was walking down the beach, like completely blind, pretty much. So now I can see. Made it out here to Southern Palms. My friend works here that I met the other day, so came out to visit her, order a drink, hang out a little bit. They've only got the yellow flag warning, so you can actually swim here. Oh my god, there's baby chickens. Yeah. Hold on. I gotta chase the baby chickens. These are not ocean turtles. There's all these kitties. Hi, kitties.
And I call this one the teeth because he hardly have any teeth in his mouth, and he's quite old.
He's cute.
All of them are fat. They eat too much food. Alright?
I heard about you. I heard you be pooping on the beach.
Yeah, always pooping.
So somewhere around here is where the hawksbill turtles have been laying their nests. They mostly come out at night. Oh, I see they put some blue bags over here where the turtles have been nesting to keep people from stepping on them. Hello, bird. Well, I don't see any turtles, but there's a cool little crab over here. This bird is my friend now. Cute. Down in the St. Lawrence Gap. It's a touristy area, but there's nobody here. And hematites.
And
so
bracelets, ankles.
Out here in the St. Lawrence Gap.
Yeah, all for everyone. Prices are low too.
Yeah, very pretty stuff.
Yeah.
Honestly, it looks like this is the place to go and party. The Gap is where it's at. This is like their resting time before the festival season. There's nobody out here. The Gap is where it's at. Very seaweed heavy right now because of all the winds. The Gap. The Gap. The Gap. This is pretty cool. I got laid off from my job recently, so I already had this booked. Thank goodness, right? Because this travel vlog is everything to me, and it's what I want to do with my future. You know, like, subscribe, all that. But this lady just prayed over me and was like, you're gonna have a new job when you go back, trust me. It was very cute. Just kind of walking, exploring, beautiful out. There's one. He just went in his little hole. I'm such a nerd. I love the crabs. Haha, I found one. There he goes. Look at him. Look at this little food truck court I found over here. I think I am gonna get something small so that I don't have to worry about it later. Look at this tree. This is cute. So I went to Terry's food truck here. I got a flying fish sandwich. Look at this cat. It's so cute. I got a flying fish sandwich. Flying fish is one of the national dishes here, so I'm excited to try it. So let's see. It's got the flying fish on here. It's got some kind of sauce, some ketchup, some mayo, I think, and some lettuce, mixed greens. Let's try it out. It's quite a fishy fish, but I really like it, and I like the way it's prepared a lot. The sauce is like a Big Mac sauce, but it's a little spicy. My only complaint is that this soda is not very good, but that's obviously not the food truck's fault that I chose the soda that's way too sweet. This is a cute little spot I found here. Look, they're playing some kind of game, sports game. I'm under this gorgeous tree. Life is good. So I had a great second day here in Barbados. It was really nice seeing more of the south, sort of west area of the beach, having that really good meal at Tapas. So yeah, that's it for today, and on to the next one. Hi, I hope you enjoyed watching my day. I put out new videos every Friday, so please subscribe to my travel blog and come with me as I plan to visit every country in the world.